Moisturizing Hair Conditioner. Instantly restores, revitalizes and repairs dry hair with weightless hydration that leaves hair incredibly soft, shiny and silky smooth for days. Suitable for all hair types. Refreshing Aloe Vera Scent. The light aloe vera scent will leave you feeling soothed and refreshed. Naturally derived ingredients. Enriched with naturally derived botanicals to lock in moisture and nourish dry hair. Toxin-free formula is paraben, sulfate, phosphate and gluten-free. Cruelty-Free Hair Care. Ginger Lily Farms Club Fitness Collection is PETA-certified, 100% vegan and never tested on animals, so you can feel good while using it. Economical Eco-Friendly. Commercial refill size helps reduce plastic consumption and is perfect for refilling shower dispensers in locker rooms, health clubs, spas or at home. 1 gallon. Ginger Lily Farms Club Fitness. Moisturizing Conditioner. Ginger Lily Farms Club Fitness Moisturizing Conditioner instantly restores, revitalizes and repairs dry hair with weightless hydration that leaves hair incredibly soft, shiny and silky smooth for days. Formulated with naturally derived botanicals to hydrate and nourish dry hair. Paraben, sulfate, phosphate and gluten-free. Suitable for all hair types. 100% vegan and cruelty-free. 3 refreshing scents: aloe vera, citrus, ocean breeze. Naturally derived ingredients. Toxin-free formula. 100% vegan. Repairs dry hair. Suitable for all hair types. 1 gallon, 128 fluid ounces. Top reviews from the United States. Long-lasting. Can be used as body moisturizer and for shaving too. Great buy.